Hello everyone, I am Tina, as you all know. So today I'm gonna present about nutrient that's the essential thing because we need to alive so that we need to eat. Yeah, right. So let's get started. So this is the theories of the content. The number one will be for a nutrient, and the number two is I'm gonna talk about the biomolecule, and for the number three is what is the modern day human and the suggestions of eating a balanced diet or the nutrient, and also the last one is the deficiency ones. So if you don't eat a net balance or nutrient, what can cause? Yeah. So let's go. So what are nutrients? So nutrients are the molecules in food that all organisms need to make energy, grow, develop, and reproduce. Actually, scientists divided into two categories of nutrients and macronutrients and micronutrients. So especially macro nutrients, we need a larger quantity that to provide for our body, especially protein, carbohydrate, and fat. Yeah, that's kind of thing. And for the micronutrient, we don't need as much about my macronutrient because we only need just a little amount of that. That they might include the vitamins and minerals, that kind of thing. But we need to eat both of them for getting a balanced diet. So this is the definitions of the nutrients. So let's move to the next slide. So the next slide will be the carbohydrate, also known as carb. And carbohydrates are the sugar molecules. Our body break down the carbohydrates into glucose, and glucose or blood sugar is the main source of energy for your body cells, tissue, and organ. We could say it's the storage of their energy because, for example, like marathon runner, they have to eat pasta before they compete tomorrow. So that this is called pasta loading. So that they will get enough energy for their competition. And the carbohydrate is made up of the CHO, that is the short form. CHO means C stands for carbon, and H stands for hydrogen, and O stands for oxygen. So this is the structures of the carbohydrate. Is the building block of the monomers are called the monosaccharide for the carbohydrate. And you can get the carbohydrate by eating bread, beans, milk, potato, soft drink, and especially starchy food. So don't forget to eat it. So the another one is lipid, also known as fat. And fat. So the lipid is the any of various organic compound that is insoluble in waters, and they include fats, oils, hormones, and certain components of membranes and function as energy storage molecules and chemical messengers. So that people might think, like, when they heard about lipid, so they might think in that negative way first, because like most of the peoples are really fat and they don't like lipid. But actually it depends on your eating diet style. But like if you eat a lot of potato chips such as carbohydrate and like too much lipid, so you will gain a lot of fatty acid in your body. It's not too much good, but so that we need to eat the lipid by managing the diet, eating style diet. And another thing is that for example, right, the seal. So when they are born, they have cute fluffy hair, but when they get older, the seal become more bigger and it looks so ugly or something because they got a lot of lipids on their body, but that kind of lipid keep them bland. But when they're at young, their fluffy parts keep them warm. But when they get older, their lipid keep them warm. So that's why, in also the human, like when you are fat or something, you don't cool as much as the skinny person. And there's a monomers of lipids are two types of monomers in lipid, which is called glycerol and fatty acid one. This is the structures of the lipid monomer, and you can get a lipid by eating avocado, peanut butters, nuts, seed, and oily fish. So yeah, this is the how lipid, and this is the protein, the essential one. So protein is the important part of the healthy diet. Proteins are made up of chemical building block called amino acid, and your body use amino acid to build and repel the muscle, bone, and to make a hormone and enzyme to induce your immune system. And they can also be used as the energy source. So this is the structures of the protein. The monomers are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. And this is the food that you can get a protein, that beans, especially from the meat. So that for some of the gym who play the gym, they how can I say that, they buy a lot of big bottles of one, and this contain a lot of amino acid, and they drink it because they want to get a protein. So vitamins are the group of substances that are needed for normal cell function, growth, and develop. And there's 13 essential vitamins, and this means that these vitamins are required for body to work properly. So I won't talk about those 13 essential vitamins. I will just talk I remember, and the most important one. So the for example, vitamin C, we can gain from citrus fruit, especially lemons or the sour fruits, and the monomers called CHO, also CHO, that carbon 6, hydrogen 8, and oxygen 6. And also vitamin A we can gain from leafy vegetable, and is the also vitamin D we can gain from the sunlight. So that most of the people go out and they got they cut off the sunlight for getting a vitamin D. I mean, this is how vitamins work on our body. And this is ions and fibers. Iron is the mineral that is naturally present in many food, after some food products and available as the dietary supplement. Iron is the essential component of hemoglobin, which means that hemoglobin is the type of protein that consists in our red blood cell. So erythrocyte is also known as the red blood cell, and it's good for our transport oxygen from the lungs to our tissue. So also we can get by eating meat, red meat. Sorry, I forgot. So fibers is the type of carbohydrate that's the body can digest. Especially we can get the fibers by eating fruit. So let's talk about another things. So modern day diet, human diet. So scientists recommend that eating mostly vegetable, fruit, and whole grain, healthy fat and healthy protein. And they suggest that drinking water instead of sugary beverage. And we can also address common dietary concerns such as salt and sodium, vitamins, and alcohol. So nowadays, people's diets are not the same way. Even me, actually I'm not a vegetarian. I eat all of them. Okay, let's move to maybe they might have some of the vegetarian. For example, like Imo, she doesn't eat any pork. The animal with 4 legs. That's kind of thing. And this is the deficiency. So if you don't eat enough nutrients or the balanced diet, you can get the scurvy, anemia, the throat disease, beriberi, kwashiorkor, and rickets. Scurvy is deficiency by vitamin C. If you don't get enough vitamin C, yeah, you can got a scurvy one. And yeah, kwashiorkor is the deficiencies of protein. And rickard, if you don't got enough calcium, you can caused by the rickard disease. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Oh, this is the question one. So before I ask about the question, let me talk about my diet one. So actually, I'm just 19.4 lb, and at first I'm a picky girl. I can say that because I don't like some kind of vegetables or the meat. I'm the picky girl. So but now, like I realize myself, oh, I need to get a lot of lipids because I'm just thin as like a skeleton. So, so this is the question. So, what nutrient did you think you have the most in your body? So, individual, you can answer whatever you like.
Yeah, I think protein and fat. I think there are a lot of it in my body.
Okay, I see.
Water.
And what about others?
The others don't eat food. Deborah, what do you think you have the most in your body?
I don't even know. I eat noodles most of the time.
Can you
a balanced diet?
Deborah have balanced diet?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. How about Imo? I think everyone should answer this. It's a simple one.
Vitamin C and protein.
Protein?
Yeah.
Okay. How about Sute?
Um, I don't know what I have the most in my body. Maybe protein.
Protein as well?
Have a balanced diet. Miss,
Okay.
what about you?
Me? I think
Yeah.
I have carbs the most. I love sweet things. The carbohydrates. Okay.
So next slide. So this is the end of my presentation, and thank you for listening to my presentation till the end and also answer my questions. So bye. Love you guys. Oh my
Hey,
god, my presentation is too long.
is there any questions for Tina?
No.
They sound about cholesterol.
All clear?
Cholesterol?
Yeah, like places that they are using something.
Ah, you mean the lipid, the monomers of the lipid?
Yeah, cholesterol. Can you
It's
explain
called,
more about
wait. I will just go, it's called that like triglyceride. It consists of glycerol and the fatty acid. Glycerol is the lipid ones because like, in the like Burmese advertisements or something like that, they are advertised like the sunflower's oil. Oh my god, without cholesterol or something like glycerol is just like that. So, but if you eat a lot of glycerol and cholesterol, you can got lots of fatty acid. Just thing like that. But I will research more if you want. The only thing I can remember is like that.
Sue?
Oh, she's asking me and now she goes.
Sue is gone. Okay, I think. How about others? Do you have any questions? No? Okay, so I will stop the recording now. Thank you. Okay.